Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Class 10. First, let's establish a solid study plan. Begin by creating a realistic daily and weekly schedule, ensuring you allocate specific time blocks for each subject. Remember to incorporate short, regular breaks to help maintain your focus and energy throughout your study sessions. This structured approach will build a strong foundation for your learning journey. Next, let's explore some smart study methods. Instead of just rereading your notes, actively recall information to strengthen your memory. Utilize tools like flashcards or mind maps to visually organize and remember key concepts more effectively. Crucially, practice solving previous year's question papers to understand exam patterns and improve your time management skills. These techniques will boost your comprehension. Effective time management and personal well-being are vital. Prioritize your most challenging subjects during your peak concentration times, typically in the morning. Make sure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to consolidate learning. Additionally, maintain a balanced diet and incorporate some physical activity into your routine. Taking care of yourself is just as important as studying hard. Finally, let's talk about staying motivated and utilizing resources. Set small, achievable goals to track your progress and celebrate your successes, no matter how minor. Don't hesitate to seek help from your teachers or peers when you encounter difficulties with a topic. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other helpful deals. Staying consistent and supported will lead to success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.